Dear friends, in this video we will see how to reduce background noise in an audio using Audacity. Okay, so after downloading and installing the Audacity software, just open the Audacity. This is the dashboard of Audacity. Okay, now I have recorded, this is the recorded voice, right, using outside noise. Okay, so let us open and check this noise. Okay, 1 minute. So this is the outside noise which is audible.
Good morning. 1 minute news. Guterres in Ukraine. War is evil and unacceptable. The world sees you. UN chief tells Ukrainians, pledging to boost support. Reports UN News. Rockets hit Kiev during the UN Secretary General's visit to the city.
So this is the audio. Okay, and in this audio you have outside noise is available, which is available in the audio. Now we will remove this outside unwanted noise inside the audio. How to do is, after opening the Audacity application, just go to File, go and open the file. It is in the desktop. So this is voice trial 1. Okay, click open. Okay, now the file has been opened, audio file has been opened, and you could find I have given some before recording the actual voice. This is from this point onwards the actual recording starts, and before that I have given around 10 seconds to record the I have allotted 10 seconds to record the outside noise. So from here to 0 to this 10 second, this is this in seconds. These are the outside noise. This accompanies the actual noise in this, right? So we will reduce this outside noise for this particular recording. So how to do is, let me so I'm playing this first of all. I'm playing this audio. So you could find lot of noise. Okay.
Good morning. 1 minute news. Guterres in Ukraine. War is evil and unacceptable. The world sees.
So this is the noise which you can listen to it. Okay. Now how to reduce it is, just click it. Now select it. Okay, now go to effect, now go to noise reduction, now click get noise profile. Okay, so the entire thing has been selected. Now select this once you select it, again go to effect, go to repeat noise reduction. Once you click this, the outside noise will be removed. Just note it up. These are the outside noise. Just click it, repeat noise reduction. Okay, now you could find lot of unnecessary noise getting reduced. This wavery form is actually reduced. Okay, everywhere. Now let us play it and check. This wavery form is actually reduced. Okay, everywhere. Now let us play it and check. Okay, let us play it and check.
Good morning. 1 minute news. Guterres in Ukraine. War is evil and unacceptable. The world sees you. UN chief tells Ukrainians, pledging to boost support. Reports UN News. Rockets hit Kiev during the UN Secretary General.
Okay,
Good
nice. Now
morning.
using Audacity, we have removed the unwanted noise. Okay, so this is a procedure how to remove background unwanted noise from an audio. This video will be very useful for the beginner YouTubers. Thank you friends. See how to save this audio file. Okay, so in order to save this background noise removed audio file, just go to File, click Export, click Export as MP3 or whatever the file format that you want. Here I am clicking Export as MP3. Now you can save it somewhere. Okay, in anything. Okay, so I am typing it as voice trial finished. Final voice. Okay, click save. Now if you want, you can give this metadata tags in it or click OK. Now just minimize it. See, this is the audio file, final voice. Okay, and if you listen to both this initial voice and the final voice, this will be very clear. Okay, noise has been reduced totally. Okay, so that is the power of Audacity. Okay, I'm just closing it. Okay, thank you friends. Hope you understood how to use Audacity in order to remove background noise from the actual audio. Thank you.